In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the AI theme generator in Microsoft Edge, a feature that lets you personalize your browsing experience with custom themes. Whether you're looking to give your browser a personal touch or just explore some of the creative options available, this guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can start exploring and designing your own unique look in no time. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, open Microsoft Edge. You can usually find the icon pinned on your taskbar, but if not, just pop open your Start menu, type in Microsoft Edge, and give it a click. Once you have it open, take a look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll notice three small dots lined up vertically. These dots represent the menu, your gateway to a variety of settings and features in Edge. Go ahead and click those dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, from this menu, you're going to select Settings. Now, don't worry about getting lost here. Edge organizes its settings quite intuitively, making it easy to find what you're looking for. Once you're in the settings, look to the left side of your screen. There, you'll see a series of options listed down the pane. What you want to click on is Appearance. Selecting this option will take you to a new page where you can customize how Edge looks on your screen. Now that you're on the Appearance page, you'll notice various options, but what we're interested in for this tutorial is the AI Theme Generator. You'll find this option among the selections on the page, so go ahead and click on it. And that's all there is to it. You've now reached the AI Theme Generator page. From here, you can start crafting your custom theme. The AI Theme Generator is an excellent tool for those who love to infuse a bit of creativity into their browsing environment. Feel free to explore, play around with the tools, and create a theme that speaks to your personal style. So there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you're now at the forefront of theme creativity in Microsoft Edge. Whether you're minimalistic, vibrant, or somewhere in between, there's plenty of potential here to make your browsing experience as unique as you are. Thank you for watching today's video, and happy customizing.